Hey, it's Ruben with Search Party Marketing. We help carpet cleaners win more customers. Today, I'm going to show you how to turn on Google My Business messaging for your carpet cleaning business. You'll want to turn this on if you want to receive messages from your customers who are searching on Google and finding your business there. They might be finding you on Google Maps. They might be finding you from a basic Google search for something like carpet cleaning near me. But these customers are going to want to message your business. They may ask for a quote. They might ask questions before they book. If you want to receive messages like that from potential customers in your area, you're definitely going to want to turn this feature on. So go to business.google.com, log into your Google My Business account. And once you're inside your account, go over to the Messages tab, and you'll see a big blue button that says Turn on Messaging and Quote Requests. This is how you do it on desktop. You can do the same thing on mobile. So if you have the Google My Business app on your smartphone, go to that app, and inside the Google My Business app, you're going to click on Customers at the bottom and Messages at the top. And then you'll have a blue button that says Turn on Messaging. That's how it works on the iPhone. It may be just a little bit different for Android, but it's within your Customers tab on the smartphone app. And then within Customers, it's going to be within Messages, and you'll want to turn on Messaging. Once you enable these messages, anytime somebody sees your Google My Business profile, there may be an extra little button or link on it that says contact or message or get quote or something like that. When somebody clicks on that button, they're able to send you a message like they're sending you a Facebook message or a text message, and you can respond back to them just as easily. It's a lot easier to do if you have the Google My Business app on your smartphone, so I highly recommend downloading that. If you're running a carpet cleaning business and if being found on Google is important to you, then you should really have the Google My Business app on your smartphone anyways. Download the app, turn on messaging, and when you start getting messages from customers, it's really important that you actually respond to them. The reason I say that is that Google is actually measuring your response time. So if you don't respond to customers within 24 hours, Google will turn your messaging feature off and not allow you to get messages from customers anymore. The reason Google does that is they don't want customers messaging businesses who are either no longer in business or are just not very responsive and professional to deal with. So if you can't respond within one day, don't bother turning these messages on. But if you want to win customers, then I highly recommend that you turn these messages on and respond to the questions that you get and send out quotes as quickly as you possibly can. And I think you're going to find that some of these people will book carpet cleaning jobs with you. So I hope that's helpful. If you have any questions, let me know. Hit like on this video, hit subscribe on the Search Party Marketing YouTube channel, and visit gosearchparty.com if you need any help winning carpet cleaning customers for your business. Thanks a lot. Have a great day.